Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix video processing delays on YouTube. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to wait. So sometimes if the video is smaller, it might take minutes to some hours in order to complete processing if the video is very large and contains a lot of length. But smaller videos are processed quickly, but if your video is smaller and still the processing is taking longer, then you need to check the internet connection. So you gotta make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. If not, then I suggest you to switch to a reliable Wi-Fi network and your processing will be done quickly. If that doesn't solve your error as well, then you need to make sure first that your video is in MP4 format. If the format is something else such as DAT or MOV, then that video will take longer time in processing. And also, if the file size is very large, then I recommend using any other third-party tool that will compress your video in order to make that processing quick. And if not, then you can also click on this pencil icon. And here you can simply edit some details, such as you can add any word in the description. So let's say I'm going to add this word, and once done, you're going to simply click on the save button right next to it. And let's say if your processing was stuck, then that will refresh your processing and your processing will be done quickly. So those were some of the few ways how you can fix that error. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.